Saan? Wala yung punta saan? Sasakay daw siya. Saan sasakay? Saan sasakay? Diyan? Okay. Sasakay daw kami yung Bumblebee. Siya na, sasakay kang Bumblebee.
Hello, Bumblebee.
Ayun o. Pero ayun o, yung may Bumblebee. Ayun. Hindi siya sasakay. Ito Bumblebee, ayun o. Ito sa likod mo. Ano yan? Maze? Nag-maze ka? Naligaw ka ba? Hindi. Oh, hello guys. Nasaan tayo ngayon? Sa Mawaki, sa Pampanga. Kamili ka na? Ayan, sasakay na kami ni Shana. Dito kami ni Shana sa kabila. O, dali, pasok. Pakat. Itong, pasok. Op, dahan-dahan. Op. Okay. Nakasakay na kami. Ayan guys, nakasakay na kami ni Shana. Dito kami sa Bumblebee. Saan tayo? Anong to? Tawag dito? Kaya mo ba rito? Kaya mo ba? Baka mami mahilo ka, masuka ka ha. Wala suka-suka ba? Wala suka-suka rito. Walang maglilinis. Kawawa naman sila kuya pag naglinis sila. Tawag ka doon, tayo ka doon. Dito kami. Dito kami ngayon. Ito lang tinasal. Oh my God! Okay, ito lang yan. Dito na sa kami naman. Dito.
But the traffic was fast and the money was slow. The people I met you never get to know. I kinda miss this place I used to live at.
Di ba nakatakot? Wala kasi ka mag-gano'n. Bawa ako ah. Ayan guys oh. Dito kami ngayon. Hello. Si mama natin.
Trying to save the time, in case you're thinking about breaking out the bucket list. Girl, you can skip this funny business. 'Cause up there it's complicated and overrated. Down here everything is understated. That's alright by me. I got everything that I need. But there is breakneck, paycheck, rat race. What's next? Tired of feeling like a small fish in a big pond. Think I'll go back where I came from. Everybody knows my name. All my friends are still the same. I guess the slow life
Thank you
just
guys.
ride like a bonfire on a cool night. Yeah, you can keep your 9 to 5. 'Cause I'm happy with the simple life.
Enjoy kasi
I think I'll go back where I came from.